Ize abahlali belahle ithemba ngohulumeni mayelana nezidingo nqangi. Undunankulu uduse imeya yomasipala I-Midvaal ngokuba umasipala wesifundazwe othola umbiko ongenagcobho wocwaningo lwamabhuku.
I want to specifically thank and congratulate. I met him earlier on, the executive mayor of Midvaal. I think that's the only municipality that is flying the flag of clean audits in municipalities in our province.
U-Lesufi uphawulile ngamathilomu asemalokishini njengoba sekube nezigameko eziningi zokushona nokugula kwezingane.
There must be form of regulation for people to establish this installation in our communities. It can't be a free for all. Each and every sponsor shop that is in our area must be appropriately registered.
Asalanga ke nezinkinga zamanzi eziloku ziqhubeke njalo esifundazweni.
If we can't act on this issue of water in our province, a bleak Christmas is confronting our citizens. We immediately disconnect all illegal connections, and we are bringing all law enforcement agencies to support this task. All municipalities, without exception, will introduce level 1 water restrictions.
Umphathiswa wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho uLebogang Mayile uthi imali ekweletwa omasipala esifundazweni ilinganiselwa ngaphezulu kuka-132 billion wamarandi.
Households owe municipalities 99.343 billion, while organs of state owe municipalities 3.730 billion.
Le ngqungquthela izophothulwa kusasa.